Hey there, kindergarten. This is Mr. Mason. Welcome to week 2 of our e-learning experience. Your activities this week are to still work on that Bbot app. I know not everybody has gotten on the Bbot app yet and played around with that. So go ahead and get on the Bbot app, do the 12 activities that are there, and then get back to your reading and your math and other stuff from your homeroom teachers and your other special area teachers. But I do want you to try to get ahead a little bit for next week by having your parents install an app. There's an app called CodeSpark Academy, and I've got a picture for your parents on the website, and I've got it on my iPad here and on my smartboard. This is an app that I have had my own son on, and you might know Brady, for the past year, and he's done 300-400 different puzzles and activities on here so far. As a matter of fact, he's such an expert, I'm going to have him on here next week helping you get through the first parts of this. Go ahead and install the app, but don't start it up yet. We'll have a free account through the school, through me, and you'll need a class code to get into that next week. So go ahead, get that app installed, but first this week, get that Bbot app installed and play around with the Bbot app for a while. I'll see you during week 3. Bye, kindergarten.